Hey guys, back with me again at this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can create a video in CapCut with a static blur and zoom out effect. So first, of course, you need to import your clips to CapCut and then just go to the video effects, opening and closing, and then select the halo blur effect. Click on a check icon and then trim the effect so that it plays in the beginning of your clips. Copy it and place it on the next or the rest of the clips. Okay, last one. And then after that, to have a zoom out effect, I'm gonna use animation. So just click on the first clip, go to animation, click on combo, and then find the distort left animations. Okay, find one. Okay, this distort left, and then make it apply to all of your clips, and then just click on the check icon, but you need to apply it to all of your clips. So I'm going to just still on the animation but move to the next clips. Okay, and the last one. And now you are done. So here is the result for the blur and also zoom out effect. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please do click on a thumbs up icon, leave a comment, subscribe, and also don't forget to click on thanks. Bye.